How many pencils do I have to prepare for them?
So what is your final answer?
2 pencils.
Very good. Let's give him a round of applause. The next number is 4. I ordered 10 shirts and 7 of them are reserved. How many shirts left? What is your final answer? 3 shirts left. Very good. Let's give her a round of applause. Next number is 1. Mana Lotto won the lottery a total amount of 1 million pesos and he needs to pay his debt worth of 500,000. How much money does he have after paying his debt? Mana Lotto has 500,000 pesos left. Very good. Let's give her a round of applause. And the last but not the least, number 3.
I have $5 and I need to pay $6. How much do I need to pay? $1 more to pay.
Very good, class. Let's give her a good job clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good job. So I have here 2 questions. So when it goes up, it means positive, and when it goes down, means negative. You have to remember it. So the first question is, Anna enters the elevator from the basement and takes it to 11th floor. So what floor is she now? Anyone? Yes, Miss Julie.
11.
Very good. Let's give her a round of applause. So for the last question, it is continuous, okay? So she is now in the 11th floor. Then she takes the elevator 2 floors down for the workshop. What floor is she on? She takes 2 floors down. Yes, Miss Joanna.
9th floor.
9th floor. Very good. Let's give her a good job clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Very good class. Now, do you understand?
Yes.
So, do you have any idea what is our lesson for today? Yes, Miss Julie?
I think it's all about adding and subtracting numbers.
Okay, very good. Very good class. So our lesson for today is all about addition and subtraction of integers. But before we begin our lesson, everyone, can you read the objectives?
At the end of the lesson, the learner will be able to A. Distinguish the rules of adding and subtracting integers. B. Construct a mathematical equation using addition and subtraction of integers. C. Recognize the importance of adding and subtracting integers in real life.
Okay, so let's proceed to our discussion for today. So there are 2 rules in adding integers. Who wants to read the first rule? Anyone? Yes, Miss Joanna. To add integers having like signs, first is you have to find their absolute values, add numbers obtained in step A, and attach the common signs of the integers to the answer in step B. Okay, very good. So I have here an example. Negative 12 plus negative 1. So according to the rule, we need to find their absolute value. So what do you think the absolute value of negative 12? 12. Very good. How about negative 1? 1. Very good. So the absolute value of the negative 12 is positive 12 and the negative 1 is positive 1. And next, add numbers obtained in step A. So we need to add the numbers. 12 plus 1 is equals to 13. Very good. And then attach the common sign of the integers to the answer in step B. So what do you think is the common sign? Negative. Very good, class. So the final answer is negative 13. Very good. Next example. Negative 12 plus negative 5. So
a number n from another number is the same as adding n to the other number.
Okay, thank you. So the rules in subtracting integers is the same to the rules in adding integers. So let me give you an example. Example is negative 15 minus 18. So first, we need to find their absolute value. So the absolute value of negative 15 is positive 15. Very good. And the absolute value of 18 is
Negative
18. Positive 18. So 15 minus 18 is equals to
negative.
Okay, very good. Negative 33. So that is the final answer of the given negative 15 minus 18. Now, for the second example, negative 21 minus negative 16. Who wants to try? Mr. Ken? So first, you need to find the absolute value. Very good, very good. Okay, so the absolute value of 21, of negative 21 rather, is positive 21. And the absolute value of negative 16 is positive 16. So the final answer is 5. Negative 5. Do you have any questions, class?
No.
Very good. Now let's proceed to our activity. Now let's proceed to our group activity. Kindly count from 1 to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I
Okay. But before that, can you read the rubrics?
Accuracy 5. All the answers presented are correct. 4. Some of the answers presented are correct. 3. Only one answer is correct. Cooperation 5. All the members of the group cooperate actively. 4. Some members of the group cooperate. 3. Most of the members did not cooperate. Time frame 5. Finish the activity on time. 4. Almost finish the activity on allotted time. 3. Did not finish the activity on time.
Okay. Now, can you get a piece of paper? So, you have to answer the 10 problems within 5 minutes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, class, you may now start answering. I give you 5 minutes. You still have 3 minutes, class. Are you done, class? So now I will give you the final answer. So the number one, the answer is -5. Okay, number two, -15. Number three, -2. Number four, +6. Number five, +5. Number six, -20. Number seven is -22. Number 8 is 10. Number 9 is 2, +2. And number 10 is 0. Okay, are you done checking the papers?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you pass it to me? But before that, who got the perfect score? 10.
Group 1, ma'am.
Very good. So the group 1 has 5 points. All the members of the group cooperate actively.
Yes, ma'am.
So another 5 for the group 1. Did you finish the activity on time?
Yes, ma'am.
Another 5, which is 15. Group 2, what is your score?
8/10, ma'am.
Okay, so you have some answers presented are correct. This 4. Did the members cooperate actively?
No, ma'am.
So we give you 4 points. Did you finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. 5 points. She's got 15. So the group 3, what is your score? 7/10. Group 3. So you have 4 points. For the cooperation, did the members cooperate actively?
Yes.
5 points. Did you finish on time?
Yes.
5 points, which is 14. For the group 4, what is your score? 6. So you have 3 points. And did all the members cooperate?
Yes.
Another 5 points. Did you finish on time?
No.
Let's give them 4 points. A total of 12 points. For the group 5, 1? Okay, so only one answer is correct. Let's give them 3 points. Did all the members cooperate?
No.
Let's give them 4 points. Did you finish on time?
No.
4 points. Total of 11 points. Okay, class. Do you have any questions?
None.
Reactions, clarifications?
None.
Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to our quiz. Kindly get a sheet of paper. You have 5 minutes to answer the problem. When you're done, you can